Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'll be showing you all very easy and simple 5-minute kurta or kurti makeup look with just 5 makeup products. Actually, skincare is also included in this 5 products. And also, I'll be showing you guys very easy kurta lookbook with the same jeans and juti. So it's very simple. Altogether, it's a very simple video. So let's get started. First of all, I'll be showing you guys the makeup. First, skincare is must. So we are going to use the moisturizer. It's Lakme moisturizing lotion. It's a very good affordable moisturizing lotion. Now sunscreen is must, especially if we are going out. So I've used Lotus sunscreen. For base makeup, I've just use this Peacock ka loose powder. It comes in different shades. I've taken that banana shade. It's a yellowish shade. So I have applied it all over my face, especially on the areas where I sweat a lot. Now for eyebrows and eyeliner and kajal and contouring, I'll be using just one product, that is this brown kajal pencil, and with that I filled in my eyebrows, then waterlining my eyes and then tight lining it as well. Then I will be drawing a very thin liner onto my lash line and then just smudging it. With that itself, it gives a nice bigger eye look, which is really nice to see actually. Then I'll be contouring my nose with the same eye pencil, brown eye pencil. So that's the best part. With just one eye pencil, that's brown eye pencil, we can do various things. Now for lips, I've used this Lakme coral lip shade. It's a lip crayon actually. It's a gorgeous shade and it's very affordable, just for $100 I guess, 100 or 150, I'm not sure. Anyways, I'll be leaving the links in description box, please to check it out. And I've used the same lipstick as blush as well as my eyeshadow. So it's very easy, very simple. That's it, you guys. That's it. But then since this lip crayon is little bit on a glossy side, it's not glossy actually. It's like a demi matte finish. So just to make it completely matte, I'll be applying this powder, especially onto my lips. I've taken a little bit of that powder and applied it, and in that way it completes our look. It's very simple, very affordable. It just takes 5 minutes and just 5 products. So the very first kurta I'm wearing is this mustard yellow kurta with pink embroidery work and thread work, and I have put on Afghani earrings. I've put my hair up in a bun, not up actually lower bun, and I think I really like this kurta, especially the color. I've got all these kurtas from Enana website. All these kurtas are just for $300. Yeah, I got it in some discount sale, so that's the reason. I actually got it through Cash Karo, so it was a good deal. Now next kurta is this beautiful, actually it's kind of a tunic. It has got a peacock print and 2 pockets, so it's very stylish actually. It has got some detailing, metal detailing to neckline. So here I have braided my hair, and earring I've put on a very simple stud and very simple bracelet. And that's it, because the print is really loud, so I've kept the accessories very minimal, and I've paired it with the same jeans and juti. I think this jeans and juti is a basic piece. You can pair it with a lot of pieces. Now next one is my favorite kurta. It's actually a plain white kurta with a potly button and a little bit of thread work detailing and pleats on it, and then earrings actually is a meenakari work jhumka, because since this top is plain white, I have went with a nice colorful jhumka, and again the same jeans and juti. I think it's a cool piece, right? I really like this plain white kurta, because we can style it in different ways actually. So it's one of my favorite piece. I really like it, and let me know which one is your favorite. Please do comment that down, so I would love to know it. Now next kurta is a ash color kurta with pink embroidery work to it. So it's a little bit of rare combination. We usually do not get to see ash color kurtas a lot, so this is again a good piece actually. I have worn it with jeans and juti. Here I have my accessories are like a big one big one finger ring, and I've also put one nose pin. So that's it. I haven't put on any earrings or even necklace. It's just one nose pin and fingering, that's it. Next one is a kurta. Actually, again, it can be worn as a dress because it's like a tunic. It is actually a stretchable material. It's again a mustard yellow color with a lot of embroidery work at the yoke part. Earrings are very simple stud, actually. Again, a very simple bracelet, jeans and juti. Again, this is my one of my favorite piece, actually. So that's it, you guys. These were the 5 kurtas, and I will try to leave the links of these pieces down in description box. So that's it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. If so, please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all, bye.